love this, bro.
I lie.
Shawnee would love this. Shout out you, Shawnee, bro. Shout out you, Shawnee, bro. Water?
Yeah, drinks inside. You can finish it inside.
No drinks outside?
Damn.
Oh, a cup can't go outside, guys.
You got
Water bottle, yes, but a cup can't.
He's got to chug that or no leaving. Well, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
Dunsky.
Where's my
Let me flip this around on me.
Okay, left looks nice.
Yo, night is still young. I'm a bit sweaty. Are you?
No, I'm cool. No,
Yeah, I'm not sweaty either. I'm not gonna lie.
We're going right, but you said done that.
Let's go check it out, man. That ended a little bit earlier than we thought. We came a little late. Apparently we missed the one too, but we still got what we needed to do. Ended up losing my tripod in there. That shit came in too.
That's pretty how that bro.
Like, have no connection to
I
my
was
body.
like, bruh. It was low-key holding me down because it low-key like turns. And like every time I jump around, it would like tilt and it'd be crying. The guy really was crowd surfing, so he jumped in with us. Like, bruh.
Drive clips.
Okay. Yes, sirdy. Yeah, you still got your Old Spice?
Oh yeah. Bro, you were getting bugged.
No, I was.
I was like, bro, you've been showing his band.
Yeah, vlog.
And then you found out yourself.
To be honest, I was like, yo, I'm thank God this one, like, shit got broken. She was just holding me down. So the portables died so quick, though.
Okay, no way, mine's pretty good.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna go to Best Buy and get like 2 new rude ones. I'm gonna ask whatever the best one is. Because these ones are the dukest of Duke. Yeah, I want to see my footage when the guy jumped in.
You know what? Yeah, I caught those. I'm glad. I gotta keep walking.
Hold on. Let me know what kind of music you guys listen to in the chat. Like, you guys
chat to them because I'm like looking at my phone.
Yo, everybody's different. Some people like, you know,
Hardcore.
some people like punk. Some people like what else?
Hardcore.
Some people like punk. Some people like
Emo, Gmo.
some people like rock.
Some people like jazz.
Some people like rap.
Some people like cap.
You were doing to start your day that way.
Right now, you have to get home pretty quick.
Not all that much to say, just enjoy life, you know? Enjoy the moment.
Hold on.
Make something out of it. We even made something out of this.
Literally anything, yo.
That's what I was trying to tell you. That's why I was chill, you know? 6 nothing, bro. He has his headphones in. Like crying. Alright, Queens. Wait. No. We're down more. Down more than that fucking Dundas. Yeah. Yeah, I know my way.
You gonna go spend a bag at Louis Vuitton?
Fuck no. I'm satisfied with the clothes I have right now.
What about the Gucci glasses?
Fuck no. No, not.
What about that?
The only thing I spend is food. I still gotta put you on, is it, fuck, what is it called again? Ah, I told you about it. Like when we came here last time. Fucking, is it Shave Shack?
Is it around here?
Yes.
Is it open?
Yes.
Mmm.
Oh, what the fuck is it called?
Shake Shack.
Yeah, Shake Shack up there. Yeah.
Should we try Shake Shack out? Let us know. Should we try it out?
I try it. I want you to try it.
Yeah, I might have to try it.
Well, yeah, it's on. Yeah.
You know me. I'm hungry. I'm trying to eat.
Glasses on.
Is Shake Shack W Eats? Let me know. What's the chat saying? I don't even check the chat all.
No, I mean.
What will be your go-to drink?
Oh, what is my go-to? Like a lemonade? No, I try to take it easy on the sugar.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But if I was like, hey, why not feeling for like a sugary drink? I'll go with Purple Crush. Like I'd be having a root beer.
Gotcha.
Left. I'm gonna go left still. I got you.
Huh.
Or did you say 8 Mile Pizza? Would you try that?
I'm about whatever you want to eat. I'm about. What are the options?
Shake Shack. And